Hello viewers! I'm Frey!
And I'm Joma,
And we're your View Besties for today! And we're back again!
Tama ka dyan, partner. And we're here right now at Arellano University, Manila for our second leg of Campus Connect, the View University Invasion!
That's right! So last time nakipag-barda kami with the students of M University. And now, tignan naman natin kung makakasabay ang Arellano University sa ating Barda and Brain.
Correct! And of course, hindi natin kakalimutan ang ating sponsors for making this event possible. Thank you so much to Dr. S. Wong's Biodorm Ointment,
Nivea,
Oppo, and special thanks to Food Panda!
So ito na nga!
Tara na, partner!
Tara na, maghahanap tayo ng
Mami Biktima!
Let's go! Hi! Ayan, dami naman!
Okay, so kasama natin sina ate from Radtech.
Kim, Tala, Lovely po.
Lovely.
Andrea po.
Efren!
Aaron.
Aaron!
Ikaw, kuya.
Rio po.
Angeline.
Angeline.
Yeah?
Ajab.
Pala si Andre Samson ako.
Zero.
Diana Venice D. Bayaras from the breathtaking paradise of the North, province of Batanes!
Lawrence Hippolyta Tanda.
So partner, ano gagawin nila pag
So,
tam-tam-cham?
explain natin. I-explain mo na, partner.
O sige. Pag tam-tam-cham, kailangan
Ganda.
hindi kayo susunod sa direction ng martilyo. Okay? Example. Oh, cham-cham-cham. Okay, pass.
Pass.
Alright. Cham-cham-cham. Pass ulit. Oh, cham-cham-cham. Oh, 1 point.
Fun.
1 point. So isa pa ito ulit.
Parang walang winner today.
Galingan.
Okay, follow. 1 point. Dahil dyan, 3 points. Dahil dyan, nanalo si ate.
Thank you. Download the View app. Thank you, View Philippines.
Thank you so much, View!
Thank you, View Philippines.
Wow!
Thank you, View.
Thank you, View!
Go.
Go! Hello po!
Hello, hi! Hello po. Ako po si JB De Leon.
Hello po, everyone. My name is Sian Michaels Christine.
Mio.
Mark Sabado.
Tizam Emutani.
Jimela po.
Tizam.
Hiza?
Tizam.
Hizam! Alright, so ang gagawin natin, maglalaro lang tayo guys ha. Fill in the blanks ang mangyayari. Magtatanong ako ng, magbibigay ako ng word and then you're going to complete the word with the next na word na sasabihin. Na, the correct answer. Alright, start. Question number 1. Running blank. Is it A, man, B, woman, C, bill?
Running Man!
A, man. B, woman. Is correct.
Return of blank.
Superman. Superman.
A is...
Batman.
Batman is wrong. Alright.
Letter B.
Letter B,
The king.
the king is wrong.
The king.
Batman.
Blank Beauty. Blank
Black
Beauty.
Beauty.
Black Beauty is wrong.
True.
Is it A? True. B?
True Beauty! True Beauty!
Correct. What's wrong with?
Secretary Kim. What's wrong with my secretary?
What's wrong with Secretary Kim is correct. Okay, next question. Secret blank. Secret ingredient is correct. Panalo ka na.
Thank you so much, View.
Let's go.
Download View app.
Download View app. Let's go, guys.
Thank you, View! Download the View app!
Thank you kay View. Manonood ako para matama ko na yung isang
Jenny Lynn and
Escobar.
Escobar.
Iris.
Iris.
Patrick.
Iya po, 17 years old. Isha po, 17 years old.
Hi guys, I'm Alexandria Luis S. Sanchez.
Hi everyone, my name is Jana Lopez.
Micaela po.
Micaela and
Eljan.
Una makasagot ng tamang tatlong consecutive, siya yung panalo. Magpapakita kami ng poster, okay? Korean drama poster. At uhulaan niyo lang kung ano yung pangalan ng poster na yun. Alright? Okay, let's start. Picture number 1. Okay.
Alam ko yun eh.
What's wrong with Secretary? What's wrong with Secretary Kim?
Ayan, posible kung di nyo pa alam yan.
Okay.
Lolo. Lolo. Ay, kanta niya! Ay, kanta niya! Ay, kanta niya! Kanta niya. Wait lang, alam ko yun! Beauty! Beauty!
Anong beauty? Anong beauty? Anong beauty?
Plastic!
Anong plastic? Anong plastic?
Ang plastic! May iris ka ng beauty!
Ayun!
May iris ka ng beauty? Lovely runner!
Lovely runner.
Lovely runner!
Saan ka nanonood?
Sa ano ba,
Sa View?
Okay, ako po si Ginang Haiti J. Domingo.
Paul po. Joseph po. I am Ray De Leon.
Ray here?
Jesu.
Yesu?
Carmela?
Ate Carmela and?
Ate Jam.
Ate Jam. So, for this game, we will ask them parang set of trivia questions. Then, sasabihin lang nila sa atin kung ano yung tamang sagot.
Ang hirap
Oh.
naman. Ay, wala pa.
Wala pa.
Wala pa pala, sorry.
First question. Who is the father of the Filipino language?
Manuel Quezon.
Manuel L. Quezon.
Manuel L. Quezon is correct!
Yes, of course.
Name the oldest Philippine city.
Cebu?
Cebu po.
What is the country's national flower?
Sampaguita.
Sampaguita?
Sapagita.
Sampaguita is correct!
Sampaguita.
Okay, what element does the chemical symbol AU stand for?
Gold, 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 gold.
Gold.
Gold is correct!
Thank you so much, View. Let's go.
Thank you, View.
Thanks, View, for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, View. Let's go.
Thank you, View. Download the app. Ay!
And that's it! Thank you so much, Arellano Chiefs, for spending your day with us. And of course, this event wouldn't be possible without the help of our sponsors, Dr. S. Wong's Bioderm Ointment, Nivea, Oppo, and special thanks to Food Panda.
And of course, make sure to download the View app and enjoy your favorite Korean dramas, C-dramas, Tagalog dub, Filipino contents, and Pride contents. Ayan. And once again, we are your View besties. I'm Frey.
And I'm Jomar. Annyeong!
Annyeong!